subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your microphone in your Instagram. So if microphone not working when you're using your Instagram app. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Instagram app. Just open it. Now you just need to turn on here near your microphone, just turn on enable microphone. So if it doesn't help you, just go back, just go to the general. Just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram. And now just tap on, if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully update the latest, download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.